Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys what we bought at IKEA. So I can't believe we spent so much money on the sponge. But anyway, this scrubbing sponge, they last pretty long. So if you guys want something that lasts long, you want to go ahead and purchase this kind of sponge. And my wife also picked up some of the decorative towel. So yeah, I was going to show you guys. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So these are the PEPPRIG. It's 28 centimeter by 28 centimeter or 11 inch by 11 inch. Got the three of this towel. So 1, 2, 3. Almost like a mustard, pink, and then the stripe. So she picked a couple of the sets, probably for like a Christmas gift. And by the way, they all the same color. Okay. And we picked up this. Oh, it's the same company. So this, I'm not sure. No, this is not the same fabric. So yeah, if you want something that lasts long, you want to go with this. We use some of the Costco brand or Daiso 99 cents. All of them, they don't last. This one, they last the longest. And these are made in China. I think when we picked this up, it's about $1.20 something for a 3-pack. And some of them, they will try to sell it on eBay for like $7 or $8 with free shipping. Or even like $14. I said, what? I might do some flipping. That's why we purchased some more. So as you see, got the whole box of this. Some more towel here. Let me open one up and show you guys. So you gotta mix up the two of the green color and one like a peach or coral. So yeah, I'm not sure what is this kind of made of. And as you can see, it's got a rough edges right here, which is you could scrub. So it's pretty sturdy material on the side edge over here as well. So yeah, when you try to clean the knife, sometimes flip this or cut it. So you just gotta be careful. So yeah, by the way, if you want something that can last a long time, you want to go in and pick those up. Hopefully they're still available. Might be sold already. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.